Hey guys, I'm so sorry, but the last clip that I just did, it just got deleted, and all I did so far was add in this glitter glue, purple, and Elmer's Magical Liquid, and I've just added them in, and I'm starting just now to mix, and yes, it is already forming like slime, and I have this greenish teal mixing thing, and I have two of these plastic containers with lids. And I did not want to have to go back and get another one, so I just went ahead and got two just in case. So it is turning out like slime right now. And comment down below if you would like a video of me cleaning my room. Time lapse. Actually, you know what? Don't comment down below because either way, I'm just going to do it. Because if you cannot see behind me, that is my dresser. Since I said in the last clip, my sister actually moved out last summer to go to school, but this summer she has to move back in, and she is trying to move back here. And yes, she is 19, or turning 19, and yeah. This June, I believe, she's actually turning 19. And she was here earlier today, and she moved all of my stuff out of my playroom into here. And yeah. So everything is just a mess. And I'm adding more magical liquid, Elmer's, because I need to add more because a minute ago it got on my hand, like as I was still mixing, and it was still really sticky. And by the way, this container is perfect. But I actually just got it from a friend today, and I have no clue where they got it. He sold it to me for fake money. But you can see it's still like slime. I mean, it is slime. Okay, it's time for kneading. Let's see. I'm going to use this bucket. This bigger bucket so it doesn't get all over my floor. Stack these other slimes. Old, dried up slime. Yeah. And by the way, like within the next few days, I will be going through all of this big hunk right here and going to take out every single little foam bead and regular bead. And yes. So I will be using like scissors and stuff to cut it open. If you can tell, it is very slimy. And it is a beautiful purple. It turned lighter than I was expecting. Because usually if I have a slime that is not already like lighter in color, I'll add a little bit of white acrylic paint. And in my last video, like on my channel, I had said, like, I was talking about the Dora show from that container I have right next to me. You cannot see it though. I said Dora, and someone commented that it is not sponsored, and I said not sponsored, and they were like being mean about it and said you can't get sponsored from the show. I'm sorry. Clean this out later on. Right now I'm just trying to get out as much glue as I possibly can, so I am not wasting. And this is an old Easter basket that I'm using. Easter bucket, actually. And it says my name on it right here. Okay. Oh, there's a big hunk right here. And that is all I'm going to get out right now. Yeah. And put this on a container. It is still very sticky, actually. So, all I'm doing is just playing with it pretty much. But yeah. I'm only using one finger right now because it is still very sticky. So it is activating more right now. It's almost perfect right now. I'm going all in for it. Okay, sorry. I had to see how long the video is going right now. So usually with slimes, if you didn't know, they like whenever you make them, they get really sticky, and then you activate it more and it gets better, and then sticky again, and then once it's all fully activated, it's perfect. So it is going through the second sticky phase right now. And this is not all of it, this is just some of it that I got out of the bucket. There's still more. Yeah. And also, I have just came up with another video idea. I can do, like, next week maybe, next Thursday, I will do a video where I'll just, like, talk all about myself. And I know I said in my last video that I was gonna start posting videos on every Thursday. Today's actually Wednesday. I'm not able to do a video tomorrow because tomorrow I'm going to do a big family event. And yes. And it's like gonna go from like 4 o'clock to like 8:30. So really all I'm going to do now, I'm going to finish this slime. There's just some left in the bucket. And I don't think you want to either. Watch me just do that the whole entire time. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and close out the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Like I said earlier in the video, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Anyway, bye!